Yan guys, oh. Kawawa ang asawa ko guys. May pahingok-hingok parang sipon guys, oh. Habang naglinis guys, tumutulong ang sipon guys. Dito kami naglipat ngayon guys sa bagong boarding house. Bagong boarding house namin guys. Guys. Linis na. Dala pa na isang malaking toothbrush guys, oh. Malaking toothbrush. Uy. Kawawa guys. Alright guys. Linis na.